Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build one of the most powerful automation on Instagram, comment automation using ManyChat. Basically, whenever someone comments on your post with specific word, they'll instantly get a DM from your account. Super powerful, right? This can help you share links, grow engagement, and even build your audience automatically. So grab your coffee and let's set this up step by step. First, let's head over to ManyChat.com. Make sure you're on the right page. On the top right, click on Get Started to create an account in ManyChat. Since we are building automation for Instagram, select Instagram. Now you will see two options to sign in, Google or Facebook. I'll pick sign in with Facebook because Instagram is connected through Facebook. Agree to all permissions and follow the on-screen steps. Then you will be asked for your email. Enter your email. ManyChat will send you a verification email with OTP. Check your email inbox, copy and paste the OTP here. Next, click on Go to Instagram. Here, you log into your Instagram account and allow necessary permissions. Pro tip, if your Instagram is still a personal account, switch it to a professional account, business or creative. This step is mandatory for ManyChat automation to work. After the setup, select Start with Free Plan for now. It's more than enough to get started. Answer a couple of quick onboarding questions. After that, we will get to see the welcome message. Here, click Let's Start. If you see any pop-ups, just hit Skip for now. And here we are. This is the ManyChat dashboard. From here, we'll create all our automations. Go to the Automation tab. Here, we can see all our automations. For now, our list is empty. Just click on New Automation to create a new automation flow. ManyChat gives us a lot of ready-made automation templates. Since we are building Instagram comment automation, select Auto DM links from comments. Now you will see all your Instagram posts and reels. In this example, I have only one test post. But if you have multiple posts, you can choose the one where you want the automation to work. Select your post and click Next. Here's the fun part. We need to add trigger words. For example, I'll type in AI and bot. So whenever someone comments AI or bot on this post, they'll automatically get a DM from me. You can add still more trigger words in a comma separated format. If you want this automation to trigger on any comment, just select the option any word. If we select this option, irrespective of what the user comments, he or she will be receiving the DM from this account. Now, ManyChat asks if you want to auto reply publicly to the comment as well. If you check this option, ManyChat will reply under the user's comment with a random message. They suggest 3 default messages, but you can edit them to sound more like you. After all the changes, click on Next button. Next, in They Will Get section, we have a pre-designed message template that the user will get in their DM once they have commented on the post. We will also edit this message. I'm adding some more text to it. We have a button named Send Me the Link. I'll quickly edit it to say Send Link. After this, we can click on Next button. When the user clicks that Send Link button, they'll get the final message which we will be configuring in this step. This is where you can paste your custom text message and the actual link to your video, product, or anything you want to share. That's it. Click Go Live. Your automation is now active. Let's test it. I'll open another Instagram account. First, I will search for the account in which we added automation for the post and follow it. And here we can find the post for which we added the automation. Let me just comment AI for this post. And boom, instantly I got a DM from my account. When I tap on Send Link, I received the final customized message along with the link. Perfect, our automation works. And there we go, your Instagram comment automation is ready with ManyChat. This tool is super useful if you want to drive traffic to your website, share free resources, or just engage more with your followers without manually replying to every comment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and of course, subscribe for more automation and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.